Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Gray Zone Warfare not launching, crashing, freezing, black screen, or startup issues on PC. First, restart Steam. Exit Steam completely, relaunch it, or run it as administrator. If that doesn't work, restart your PC. Next, verify game files. Open Steam, right-click the game, go to Properties Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now install Easy Anti-Cheat. Go to the game folder, open Easy Anti-Cheat, run the setup as administrator. If needed, delete the folder and verify files again to reinstall it. Try launching the game from the installation folder, run the .exe file, enable Run as administrator, disable full screen optimization, or try Windows 8 compatibility. Next, allow the game through antivirus and firewall. Add all game.exe files and Easy Anti-Cheat to exceptions. Try launch options in Steam like DX11 or DX12, then remove if not working. You can also rename the config folder in App Data Backup first to reset settings. Now update your GPU drivers with a clean install and restart your PC. Set the game to use the dedicated GPU in graphics settings and ensure your monitor is connected to the GPU. Disable overlays like Steam, Discord, and NVIDIA, and avoid overclocking or undervolting. Clear DirectX shader cache and NVIDIA cache, then restart. Install Visual C++ files and update Windows. Try switching power mode and enable or disable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling. Disconnect extra devices, use a single monitor, and lower refresh rate. If needed, increase virtual memory. Finally, reinstall the game on another drive or clear Steam download cache. One of these steps should fix the issue. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.